The piece begins on an old tune of ancient wisdom, according to my understanding of what I see and what I saw. I know it well, which has never done me any good. I can hardly find shelter without ill intentions, especially among the barons. The hardship grows so much that the rich are happy. Their unhealthy tolerance makes cheating run loose. Suffering the same suffering, they become friends. At the last judgment, having done penance, they will get forgiveness. I'm astounded that around the plow the peasants act as gentlemen and the just as guilty of something they didn't do. God help me! You hear thousands of people hollering about things that never existed. It certainly doesn't brighten me, nor will it this month, nor should it, because of the sun's misdeeds. I fear too much to be looking for trouble to get to the vile. Malice born rather thick of its mother, without reason. My heart is full of horror, I will not hide it anymore. True love finds it hard to apply itself to a noble person who doesn't have in himself something resembling falsehood. To the wicked, love is easily wicked, and good to the good. I must value much love that doesn't misbehave, which is true and cheerful towards a true and cheerful friend. Holler as much as he pleases the slanderer and bark, for I know where lies the love that doesn't budge from her words. Must strew his home with courtesy, throw out felony, and foolish over-talking virtue and largesse he must have at hand, without excuses. For love hastens there where he recognizes us his peer, white and blooming and ready to sprout branches. Without felony it rises its friend high, one who is guided by good love must guard himself from error. Youth slumbers and will hardly wake, it seems to mirror the Lord Dockedo, consorting all day with the sweet hot piece close to the hook. Wickedness hangs from his bonnet. Pain awakens me again and right away. What wonder if I hardly find who calls me? Wickedness spreads like a cling vine, and joy is turned into its prop. And malice knocks at such moments the most agile man about the ear, so that he never says no. is this scourge, mark of courageous, without a companion.